Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today I'm going to show you how to do a repair on the storm door that doesn't latch. The door itself closes, but it doesn't latch. It just pushes right open. It doesn't lock in place. So on a windy day, the wind will get in there and pull the door open. And the reason we want to fix it is because you don't want the wind to grab it, pull the door open, and break the door. All right, so let me bring it in there. I'm going to show you what it's doing and then how we're going to go ahead and get this repaired. You will need a pencil and probably a file as well as a screwdriver to get this job done. So let me show you what the problem is, and then we're going to get it repaired, and we'll get this job wrapped up. Come on, take a walk. Okay, so the problem we have, I'll show you. Where we're going to come outside the door, we're going to take our pencil, and we're going to mark where this latch fits into right here. So we're going to mark it here, and we're going to mark it there, and now we'll open up the door, and we'll make sure that that striker can fit inside there. Okay, now we're just going to take a look, and we're going to see how this mark, just right there, you see how the latch itself touches into right there. This one is nice and clear, but this one here is touching right into this bottom piece right here. So what we're going to do now is we can either raise the striker up, which I'm not going to do because there's four holes in here now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this into the garage. I'm going to put a line right here, like that. And then we're going to take this into the garage, and we're going to take this and we're going to file that down with a file so that the latch can fit into it. So, all right, so let's grab a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's take out this, and this, and we'll take this striker into the garage, and we'll continue in there. All right, so let's take this into the garage now, and we're going to file down right inside here so that it's down just a little, so that this opening will go just a little bit lower, about a 32nd of an inch. So, all right, let's continue in the garage. Okay. Okay, so now we are down to the line where we want it to be. Let's take it back over there, put it in, and let's see if it works. Okay, so as you can see now we filed it down. It's just probably about a 1/16 of an inch lower than it was, so now our latch should go right into that, so let's put this back on. Okay, there it is. Nice and tight. No more movement in the door. Just the way it's supposed to be. Okay, so that's it. Job is all done. A fairly easy repair. Sometimes don't overthink it and think that it's going to be something that's going to be the lock is no good or the lock has to be replaced or anything like that. Just look at it, make sure your latch is closing in all the way. In this particular case, it must have been like that for a long time. It closed, but it didn't latch the latch all the way in. It just caught on the lip of the metal on the outside. I'll show you what I mean. See, what's happening is it would catch on this part right here, but it wouldn't slide all the way into this piece right in here and lock it in place. And now it does. Nice and tight. So So chances are that problem was there for a long time, but you don't really notice it until you just get in there and you try, and the door felt a little bit loose, and that's when I realized it wasn't latching all the way. All right, so as I was saying, it's a fairly easy job. Don't overlook it, and don't think you're going to have to change the lock assembly and all that kind of stuff. Look for the easiest thing first, and a lot of times it is such a simple repair. All right, this job is done. On to the next one. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.